This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Google Photos and signing in so your library can appear. Once done, grant the app permission to access your iPhone photos and enable cellular use if you want immediate syncing. Make sure you sign in to the same Google account that stores your photos, otherwise nothing will show. Also check iOS notifications so upload prompts appear. Now open Google Photos and tap through the initial setup screens. This is the essential step to start viewing your cloud images. Next, enable backup and sync in the app settings so Google Photos can pull your cloud items onto the device interface. Choose Storage Saver or Original depending on space concerns. Storage Saver saves data by compressing. Once synced, use the Photos tab to scroll chronologically, albums to see organized folders, and search to find faces, locations, or dates. If you need combined viewing, set up shared libraries or partner sharing. This middle phase is where your cloud content becomes easy to navigate on the iPhone. Finish by confirming the photos you want visible offline. Select any image and choose Save to Device to copy it to your camera roll. Add the Google Photos widget for quick viewing and pull down in the app to refresh the library manually. If images don't appear, update the app, sign out and back in, and verify Google account storage isn't full. Make sure iOS settings still allow Photos access and cellular data. Toggling those permissions often resolves sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.